Hello everyone! Today I want to talk about why you should buy handmade crocheted items from Double Jasmine Crochet. Handmade crocheted items are absolutely beautiful and unique, carefully crafted by skilled artisans who use their creativity to create beautiful pieces. This means that every item is a one-of-a-kind masterpiece with its own special touch. Secondly, handmade crocheted items are usually more affordable than their store-bought counterparts. Furthermore, buying handmade crocheted items from Double Jasmine Crochet is a great way to support small businesses. The artisans who create these items are often women who are either unemployed or underemployed. In conclusion, the next time you're looking for a special gift or just something to make you smile, why not give Double Jasmine Crochet a try? Double Jasmine Crochet, made with love.